Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. Let's get back to our lesson. In this previous class, we have studied the numbers name and numerals. Is that no? Yes. Do you remember that? Okay. Numbers name means we want to write the spelling for the number. Numerals means already they are given the number name means we want to write the numbers. Yes children, numbers means numerals, spellings means number names. Today we are continuous to our previous class. In this class we will study after, before and between numbers. Okay, after, before and between numbers. We have already studied the following about after, before and between numbers. Yes or no? Yes or no children? Yes. Today the same one. Already we finished the two headings W or I T E, right? T H E D A F T E R, after. N U M B E O, number. Write the after number. Okay. What is the meaning of the after number? After means pinnal. Okay. After means pinnal. So we want to write the after numbers. After means we want to write the next number. Okay children. Write the after number. Now, what comes after 4? 4 means 5 will come. Yes or no? Yes. What comes after 10? 10. Say the next number for 10. 11. Yes? 11. Today, that first one. 5. Okay? 5. What comes after 5? What comes after 5? 6. Yes? Say the next number. Say the next number. Then 20. Write the after number 20. What comes after 20? What comes after 20? 21. Okay, what comes after 20? 21. We want to write the next number. Okay. Then this is how many digit number? 3 digit number. Yes, how many digit is here? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit number is here. So we want to write 486. Okay, how do you read this one? 486. What comes after 486? What comes after 486? 487. 487. Okay. Then what is this number? First of all, this is how many digit number? This is how many digit number? 3 digit number. Yes. This is 3 digit number. What is this number? 600. Yes. This is 600. What comes after 600? 601. Okay, 601. Then what is this number? What is this number? 74. Yes. What is this number? 74. What comes after 74? What comes after 74? What comes after 74? 75. Okay. 75. This one is write the after number means we want to write the next number. Okay. Next number means say the after number. 5 after 6. Okay. Second, 20 after 21. 20 after 21. What comes after 486? What comes after 486? 487. 487. Then what comes after 600? 601. 601. What comes after 74? What comes after 74? 75. Yes. What comes after 74? The answer is 75. Then next one. Fourth one. Okay. W or I T E, right. W or I T E, right. T H E D B E F O or E before. N U M B E O, number. Write the before number. Write the before number. Okay. Before means munnal. Before means munnal, in front of the number. Okay. Before means in front of the number. What is the meaning of before? Munnal. Okay. After means pinnal. Before means munnal. After means pinnal. Okay. Then first one, 45. 45. What is this number? 45. Say the spelling for 45. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-I-V-E, 5. 45. Okay. 45. What comes before 45? 45 க்கு முன்னால என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? 44. Yes or no? Yes. What comes before 45 means 44. Okay, you want to write the in front of the given number. The second one, 109. 109. Okay, this is 109. This is 3-digit number. Yes, always 3-digit number starts from 100. Okay, 3-digit number starts from 100. So 109. What comes before 109? What comes before 109? 108. Okay, 108. Third one, This is how many digit number? This is how many digit number, children? 3 digit number. Yes. 3 digit number or 2 digit number? 3 digit number. What is this number? 563. 563. What comes before 563? What comes before 563? 562. Okay. 562. What comes before 563? 562. Okay. Then 76. Okay. What is this number? This is 2 digit number. 76. What comes before 76? What comes before 76? 75. Okay. What comes before 76? 75. Then what is this number? 101. Yes, 101. This is how many digit number? This is how many digit number? 3 digit number. Okay, 3 digit number starts from 100. 101. What comes before 101? What comes before 101? The answer is 100. The answer is 100. Do you understand? Children, do you understand? Okay. After number means you want to write the next number. Okay. Before number means you want to write the in front of the number. Okay, children. After means pinnal. After means pinnal. Okay. Before means munnal. Okay. Do you understand that one? Okay. Now all of you take your classwork note. Now all of you take your classwork note with your stationery things. That is pencil, razor, sharpener. Have you taken? First of all of you should write today's day and date. All of you take your classwork note, take new page, you write today's day and date. Now you copy the classwork. Copy the classwork, children. Write the after number. Write the after number. Then write the before number. If you complete third one means fourth one, we want to write the next page. Okay? If you complete that, write the after number heading means you leave one finger space and write first one. Once a line of words is completed means you have to leave one finger space, okay? Once a line of words, if you complete means you leave one finger space and write the next one. Okay children, this third Roman letter 3 is completed means that fourth one, write the before number, you should write the next page, okay? Same write carefully, okay? Write neatly without any mistake, okay? See the board carefully and write children. Write what is on the board, okay? Copy the classwork from the board. Use only a pencil to write, okay? Don't use a pen or something. Use only a pencil to write and write neatly. Same write neatly. First one, write W-R-I-T-E, write T-H-E-D, A-F-T-E-O, after N-U-M-B-E-O, number. Write the after number. The first one, 5. What comes after 5? What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 20? 21. What comes after 486 is 487. What comes after 600? The answer is 601. Next, what comes after 74? The answer is 75. The answer is 75. If you complete the after number means, you should write the next one, okay? Take the new page and write the before number. W-R-I-T-E, write T-H-E-D, B-E-F-O-R-E, before, N-U-M-B-E-O, number. Write the before number. The first one, 45. What comes before 45? The answer is 44. Second one, 101. 109. What comes before 109? The answer is 108. The answer is 108. Third one, 563. What comes before 563? The answer is 562. The answer is 562. Fourth one, 76. Fourth one, 76. What comes before 76? 75. What comes before 76? The answer is 75. The last one, 101. 101. What comes before 101? What comes before 101? The answer is 100. The answer is 100. All of you have it written? All of you have it written, children? I hope you have completed. Let me see another one. Okay, so everyone see the blackboard. Shall I rub the board? Yes. Let me see another one. So everyone see the board. Fifth one, okay. W or I T E, right. W or I T E, right. T hives ED. B E T W double E N, between. N U M B E O, number. Write the between number. Write the between number. What is the meaning of between? Between means naduvil அல்லது இடையில், center of the number. Okay, center of the number. Between means naduvil. After means say. After means pinnal. Yes, after means pinnal. Before means munnal. Between means the center of the number. Okay, naduvil ulla number. Okay, we see some examples. First one, 3, okay, and 5. 3 and 5. Okay, the number between 3 and 5 is, what will come? 3 and 5. What comes after 3? What comes after 3? 3 க்கு அடுத்த என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? 4. Yes, 3 after 4. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. Okay, this is between number. The number between 3 and 5 is 4. Okay, then what is this number? 86. Is that no? Yes, this is 86. This number is 88. Okay, The numbers between 86 and 88 is. Say the between number. நடுவில் இருக்கிற நம்பர் தானே மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. So we want to write the center of the number. Okay children, 86 and 88. The numbers between 86 and 88 is what will come. What comes after 86? 86 அடுத்து என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? 87. Okay, 87. Then the third one, 452. Okay, this is how many digit number? 3 digit number. Okay, this is 3 digit number. How do you read this one? 450. This is 3 digit number. 3 digit number starts from 100. So this is 450. This one 452. Okay, 452. Now you say the answer. Okay, the numbers between 450 and 452 is, what will come? What comes after 450? What comes after 450? 451. Okay, 451. Then what is this number? 364. 3 digit number, always 3 digit number starts from hundreds. Okay children, so 3 digit number, so 364. This one 366. Okay, what comes after 364? Say the answer. 365. Okay, 365. Now you see 364. Okay, what comes after 364? 365. What comes after 365? 366. Okay children. Then what is this number? First of all, this is 2 digit number. Okay, 2 digit number. What is this number? 99. Okay, 99. This one 3 digit number, 101. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, 101. What comes after 99? What comes after 99? 100. Yes. So we want to write 100. Now you see here 99. Yes. What comes after 99? 100. What comes after 100? 101. Okay. Do you understand children? After means pinnal. Before means munnal. Between means center of the number. Okay. Do you understand? Can you see my words? Okay. Now open your classwork note and do your work. Right ma, copy the classwork from the board. Write neatly, okay? Say and write. I hope you have taken the notebook, open and write it. Copy the classwork from the board, use a pencil. If you complete once a line of words is completed, you have to leave one finger space and write the next line. This one you copied the new page, okay? Same write neatly. WRITE, write. TH idi. BETWEEN, between. NUMBER, number. Write the between number. Write the between number. First one, the numbers between 3 and 5 is, the number between 3 and 5 is 4. The answer is 4. Second one, the number between 86 and 88 is 87. The answer is 87. The answer is 87. Write beautifully, okay, children? The third one, 450. The number between 450 and 452 is 451. Yes or no? Yes. So the answer is 451. 451. Then the fourth one, the number between 364 and 366 is 365. The answer is 365. The last one, the numbers between 99 and 100 is, the number between 99 and 100 is, the answer is 100. The numbers between 99 and 101 is 100. The answer is 100. Have you written, children? Okay, after means pinnal, before means munnal, between means in front of the number, center of the number. Okay, children, sorry. Between means center of the number. Naduvil ulla number. Okay, children. Write the between number. Okay. Write the after number means. What do you want to write? What do you want to write, children? Say louder. Write the after number means we want to write the next number for the given digit. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then second one, write the before number. Yes. The second one, write the before number. Before number means want to write the in front of the number. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. The third one, write the between number. Write the between number. Between number means we want to write the center of the given numbers. Between means naduvil. Okay. Between means naduvil. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Have you written, children? Okay, good. Now all of you take your maths book. All of you take your maths book. Take book page number 5. All of you open your maths book. Open book page number 5. Okay. Lesson 1 numbers. N-U-M B-E or yes. Numbers. Yes. Okay. The lesson 1 numbers. See the first one heading. See the first one. W-R-I-T-E. Right. T-H-E-D. N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S. Numerals. F-O-R for T-H-E-D. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. N-A-M-E-S. Names. G-I-V-E-N. Given. Keep your finger on the letters, okay, children? B-E-L-O-W below. Write the numerals for the number names given below. Already they given the number names. Yes or no, children? Yes. We want to write the numerals. Numerals mean numbers. Okay. The first one we want to write the number. See the A option. 76. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. S-I-X 76. Yes or no? Yes. We want to write 7 and 6. It is called 76. Okay. And see the second one. W-R-I-T-E. Right. T-H-E-D. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. N-A-M-E-S. Names. F-O-R for T-H-E-D. N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S. Numerals. G-I-V-E-N. Given. B-E-L-O-W below. Okay. Write the number names for the numerals given below. See the first one. See the A option. 45. Yes. 45. What is the spelling for 45? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-I-V-E 5. 45. Yes or no? Yes. This one homework. Okay. Take book page number 5. See the heading numbers. Beside you write homework. Write today's day and date. Okay. Beside you write. Numbers heading இருக்குல்ல அது பக்கத்துல என்ன பண்ணனும் today's day and date mark பண்ணி homework னு mention பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ. Okay. Today's homework. Day and date. The book page number 5 is today homework. Full page, okay? Write the numerals and write the number names. Today homework. Today homework. Lesson 1. Lesson 1. Book page number. Book page number 5. Yes. Book page number 5. This one today homework. Okay, children. I hope you finish your homework work on the given day. Okay, children. Don't forget to write the homework. I hope you finish your homework work on the given day. If you have any doubt about homework, means you ask me, okay? If you have any doubts about your homework, means You just ask me. Okay, children? Okay. See you the next class. Take care. Thank you and bye.